Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly legendary, the Nakamichi Dragon home surround sound system, featuring Dolby Atmos, DTS X Pro, and AVR-level processing all packed into a next-gen soundbar experience. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price available. Dragon emoji, the dragon returns, but bigger and smarter. The Nakamichi Dragon is not just a soundbar. It's a flagship 11.4.6 channel surround sound system engineered to replicate the power of a full AV receiver setup, without the complicated wiring or bulky speakers. It combines cutting-edge spatial audio tech with beastly raw power. High volume emoji, true surround with Dolby Atmos plus DTS X Pro. Thanks to Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro, you get real 360 degrees audio, not just virtual simulation. Whether it's a car chase, an explosion, or rain falling in a movie, the Dragon lets you hear it move across your room with pinpoint accuracy. Dialogue is crystal clear, bass is thunderous, and the immersion is second to none. Brain emoji, AVR-level processing in a soundbar. This is where the Dragon stands alone. With AVR-grade processing built in, it decodes uncompressed surround formats like Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio, giving you the performance of a high-end AV receiver with zero setup complexity. Plug it in and let the Dragon handle the magic. Fire emoji, twin subwoofers plus quad rear surround speakers. You get two wireless subwoofers, yes, two, that deliver room-shaking low-end. Paired with four discrete rear surround speakers, it creates a true theater-like bubble of sound in your living space. Whether it's a movie night or a gaming marathon, this system elevates everything. Video game emoji, perfect for movies, gaming, and music. Gaming on consoles like PS5 or Xbox Series X? Prepare for low-latency audio, positional cues, and immersive environments. Watching Netflix in Atmos or spinning 4K Blu-rays? This system eats it all up. Music lovers will also appreciate rich stereo separation, high-res audio decoding, and balanced tonality across genres. Black heart emoji, sleek design meets power. The Dragon looks as good as it sounds. With its brushed metal design, illuminated display, and premium finish, it's a statement piece in any room. The build quality screams luxury, and everything from the remote to the packaging feels top-tier. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict. The Nakamichi Dragon is not just the best soundbar, it's a revolution in home audio. It delivers the depth, clarity, and power of an AV receiver setup with none of the wiring chaos. If you want jaw-dropping sound, elite tech, and a no-compromise system that future-proofs your home theater, this is it. White check mark emoji, pros. Black check mark emoji, true Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro. Black check mark emoji, AVR-level audio decoding. Black check mark emoji, dual subwoofers plus quad rears. Black check mark emoji, 11.4 6-channel output. Black check mark emoji, simple setup, incredible performance. Black check mark emoji, perfect for movies, music, and gaming. Cross mark emoji, cons. Black exclamation mark emoji, premium price, but totally justified. Black exclamation mark emoji, large footprint, make room for the Dragon. Bullseye emoji, ideal for home theater enthusiasts. Audiophiles who want uncompressed surround sound. Gamers who need spatial accuracy. Movie lovers craving true cinema audio. Fire emoji, ready to feel the roar of the Dragon? Right pointing finger emoji, check the latest price on Amazon, limited stock, this monster sells fast.